It's tax season again. Aren't you sick of getting lost in an avalanche of paperwork? Do you have trouble holding on to your calculator? Do you get upset when reading the fine print? Don't let the stress of your taxes get to you, or even worse, put you in the hospital. Save yourself the trouble and call Maymo and Associates. Maymo will gladly listen to all of your concerns and help you with any questions you may have. Maymo will pick up your taxes right from your home, eliminating the need for you to drive to faraway places. Maymo's methods are both efficient and expedient, and will guarantee you a top return for those hard-earned dollars.